Monday morning. It's 10 a.m. It's my lunchtime, and I'm gonna make myself a yummy torta with the carne asada that we made yesterday. My vlog should be coming out today, and yeah, that's the deal today. I feel great. I feel excited. Ooh, my heart rate is low. Interesting, because my heart rate has been up every day, but right now it's at 80. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. I'm excited. All right, well, I'm gonna start on my breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I make. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. So I did not vlog almost at all this week because I figured it's pretty boring, like Monday through Friday, unless something like really cool happens, I'll vlog. But pretty much I don't have a lot going on Monday through Friday, or Monday through Thursday. So today I went grocery shop. Oh, you can see my bodacious body. Anyway, today I did some grocery shopping, so it's gonna come in around 4 o'clock after work, and I'm about to have lunch. But also Mega Millions is happening over, I think, at 1 billion now, so I need to go buy lottery tickets too. So I don't know, I'll probably eat and then go to the gas station and get some tickets. Take these off. Whew. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna eat first, and yeah, it's a wonderful day. It's really cold outside. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, I think. So we'll see. Ta-da! Okay, so I've been using my planner a lot more lately. Oh, I love it when my hair is actually done. I actually take the time to do my hair, and it's like nice and sleek and nice and pretty. I dyed my hair blue 2 days ago. I didn't dye it. I used a beeswax / castor oil that sticks to your hair and actually look pretty good. I'll insert a picture right here. And I loved it. I want to dye it for real. So I've been writing on my planner. This is the planner that I use. My dear friend Ellen, she has gifted me a lot. And this is one of the things that she gifted me. It says, "Just bloom." And the reason why I love this planner, it is a happy planner. And I like that it has so much space each day. So I have enough room to pretty much put whatever I want to do each day. It has square for errands. This here I usually use for like moon plate, so I can put the order since I only do like 10 a week. And down here I have a little area that says focus. And up here I have an area like Sunday through Saturday. And this is where I usually put what meals we're going to be eating. So this week I had put in my errands that I wanted to at least put 5 things in my Poshmark. So if you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app where you sell your clothes, or you buy clothes and you sell them from there. My best friend, she's very successful doing so. If you guys want to check out her page, go ahead and do so. I'll link it down below. So she's very successful in doing and selling clothes there. And I have a bunch of clothes that have tags that I either bought for myself and they don't fit, or I my mother-in-law gave me some stuff to put on there. So I have a bunch of stuff that I want to put, but I never seem to find the time. So this week I told myself I was going to do 5 this week. So I have today, Saturday and Sunday to get that done. And yeah, I have to wash my towels. So I'm going to put towels to wash, number 1. And then I'm going to bring my iPad back. I'm going to bring my iPad down, and I'm going to find a news article to blog about. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all. Starting off Sunday with a really good breakfast. This is mine. That one's Ryan's. And coffee's on point. Have our little flowers. It's Sunday, and again, I didn't vlog much because I'm horrible at doing it, and I keep telling you guys that. I actually think I have a few good clips. Like for the week. I decided to do less of like having to vlog every day and more of like only when I'm doing actual things. Just because you guys don't want to see me make my breakfast every single day. I don't need to do that. So I mostly just did a lot of, I don't know, a lot of sit down and talk with you guys, or a few of those. So yeah. Oh, you guys saw Ryan build this little cabinet. Oh, let me move that. Yeah, you guys saw Ryan build that little cabinet. It's actually our console table. He also kind of redid the TV to where there's no cables anymore. There's one peeking there, but pretty much he, built that. And then that is our blankets that we use almost daily because it's freezing. This weekend was freezing. I was so cold. Even we had the heater on, but it still felt very, very cold. I think one day was like 39. It actually snowed nearby. Like it was very cold. But today I just spent the almost the entire day just cleaning, and it was like 6 hours of cleaning, and it felt so good because I hate to admit this, but we generally have the house pretty clean, and like the kitchen we clean every day, and then we vacuum and stuff, and we do a lot of spot cleaning for the restrooms, but I hadn't like cleaned like deep cleaned the restrooms, and I did that this weekend, and it feels nice because now everything smells like bleach and everything just looks great and clean. So I was excited to do that, and that took most of the day, and I'm actually very sore. My entire body hurts because I was like hella scrubbing and like getting everything out. So after this week, we have all of our meals set up for the week with every plate. Then I'm gonna stop it and just do it when I feel bored out of our regular meals. I'm also going to try to incorporate more PCOS meals. PCOS is a whole different thing. If you guys want to kind of learn about that, it's pretty much polycystic ovary syndrome. You have various, which is what I have, and you have various symptoms that go along with it. A lot of dietitians and doctors, they kind of have different thoughts about it, but in general, it's you get a lot of bloating, you have like irregular periods. Those are just like some of the symptoms, but I don't know. I'm gonna incorporate more of those meals because I need to have like a higher protein, low carb diet, and that's just for general health reasons. Anyway, but I wanted to end the vlog because I usually never do, and I wait till Monday to do it, but I wanted to end it here. I did receive my second box from the world traveling thing. What is it? I'll show you guys. Box here, the Munch Pack, the one that Ellen sent me. So this month, I got Cheetos Kaffa ketchup from Israel. So I'm excited to try these. Serendipity peanut butter sticks with raspberry jam. So it's kind of like peanut butter and jelly type of thing. Jelly, and then these are peanut butter sticks. Moringa strawberry banana ramune soda candy, and this is from Japan. I'm excited to try those. Loti Crunchy Peppero. It's a combination of Peppero and Crunchy Bar. It's this here that looks so good. I think I'm gonna have this for dessert today. And also I got this here, which is a Balconi Rollino Latte or Cacao. So it's a chocolate cake stuffed with chocolate filling, rolled in cocoa cream and then coated in milk chocolate. It was so good. It actually felt like it had coffee in it too. Oh my God, it was so good. And then I got this cute little keychain, which says Munch Pack. See that? It's so cute. And then free bonus gift inside. So yeah, that's what I got. Being a loyal customer. So thank you, Ellen. It's really exciting getting these every month. I appreciate it. And the snacks, I mean, they look really good. So I'm gonna have this right now with you guys. Okay. Oh, I broke it. Actually, let me show you a whole one. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. These are so good. Oh my God. Yes. Recommend. Pepperoni, chocolate and biscuit. The biscuit, it's so good. Yes. So good. I can't stop. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed your week. And I'll see you guys next week for more, you know. Hey, baby. Vlogging? Yeah. Oh my God, you have to try these. Oh, okay. Are those the ketchups? No. Oh, really, really full. Okay. These are chocolate crunchy. Oh, they're so good. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you guys like the video, leave a comment, and leave a comment telling me what is your favorite chocolate snack. How about that? I love chocolate. So, let me know what your favorite chocolate snack is. Maybe I'll try it on camera next week. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you later.